Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed in. Now, select any song or playlist and start playing the music. Next, open the Now Playing screen by clicking the music player at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can find the different playback controls. Look for the shuffle icon. It looks like two crossing arrows. If shuffle is currently turned on, the shuffle icon will appear active. To turn shuffle off, simply click the shuffle icon once. After you turn it off, Spotify will stop playing songs in a random order and will return to the normal playback order. If you want to confirm that shuffle is off, check the shuffle icon again. It should no longer appear active. Keep in mind that the location and appearance of the shuffle button can be different depending on your device and Spotify version. If you cannot find the shuffle button, open the full Now Playing screen and check the playback controls carefully. If the shuffle option is not available on your current Spotify version or account, you may not be able to change it from that screen. So the main step is simple. Open your music player, find the shuffle icon, and click it once when it is active. That will turn shuffle off. And that's how to turn off shuffle on Spotify in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.